get to take a fat shit. Jesse, what the hell are you doing? We gotta cook. But Mr. White, I was gonna go on a date with my girlfriend. It was gonna be super hot. We were gonna kiss. Bitch. I don't give a shit about your girlfriend, Jesse. I got it. We gotta make the money. We gotta make the meth. We gotta cook. Gustav's gonna kill us, man. Your girlfriend died anyways. She died car accident. What the hell, Mr. White? Wait, what the? How'd you know that she died in a car accident?
Few moments earlier.
Shit, I gotta get Shit, I think I ran over Jesse's girlfriend. Yeah, it doesn't matter how I knew that. We just let's go see Gus.
Mr. White, you're late. Do you have the cocaine?
Don't worry, Gus. I have it right here. Just look at it, bitch.
Mr. Whitty, what the fuck? This isn't cocaine.
Don't worry, Gus. This is my new product. It's meth burger. It's delicious. Everyone loves it. Even Jesse likes it.
Shut the fuck up, Mr. White. You are fired.